Hey friends, this is Atif Opier Val and welcome to the update on Avalanche. Recently, Avalanche broke down this falling wedge pattern that we had a big drop out of it, the price and moved very close to this next long-term support of $20. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this $20 has been previously breaking as a support here. Before that, it was breaking as a resistance here that we got rejection here. Before that, was breaking at the resistance here and support here back in the month of April 2021. Therefore, again, it can break at a very strong support. This time, by the way, we moved very close to this support, but could not hit this support and almost bounced from this support of $20. Right now, the price line has broken down this very long-term up trend line support that can now work as a resistance, and we have also lost this very significant down trend line support as well. It was previously working as a resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here, resistance here. Now, after the breakdown, it can again work as a very strong resistance. That for the past 2 weeks, the price and is trying to break it out. And in today's video, we will also analyze this resistance as well. I would also like to show you this very, very massive breakout that is already happened on the 7 days time frame chart from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member. Because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of January 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trades that are for ATA, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the trading views chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this trade setup, like this trade signal I shared on 2nd of January 2025 with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this is the buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Within few moments, you will be able to watch this move, how the price line moved from here and read the sell target zone. You can see that now I see the price line moved up and even rallied beyond the sell target zone. Now let's move to the live chart of Avalanche. And first of all, let me to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that recently we have broken down the support of this falling wedge pattern. After that, we had a big drop. By the way, the technical target for this breakdown from this falling wedge pattern was here, approximately at this support, very close to this support of $20. And you can see that the price and almost hit that target and bounced very well. But we have broken down this very significant down trend line support that was previously breaking at the resistance. By the way, on the daily time frame chart, the price line is recovered back. But if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then still it is trying to break it out. Therefore, and by the way, this is a quite long term resistance because previously it was breaking as a very, very strong resistance for several months. Therefore, again, on this 7 days time frame chart, it can break as a very strong resistance. Therefore, we should wait for the price and to close above this resistance on the 7 days time frame chart within almost within next 48 hours when this candlestick will be closed on the 7 days time frame chart, then it will be confirmed whether are we going to break it out again or are we going to break it down completely or we are going to have another rejection from this resistance. For example, if the price will be rejected, then it can drop down to the next support here at $20. And now here you can see that we already had this uptrend line support as well. That was also a quite long-term uptrend line support. If the price then will be recovered back and breaks out this downtrend line resistance, then still we will need to break out this uptrend line resistance that was previously working as a very strong and long-term support from the month of September 2023 up till the month of January 2025. And this time it can hit this resistance somewhere here, possibly at $31. And that will be a crisscross of two resistance levels. This up trendline resistance and this very long-term resistance, the price level resistance of $31 as well. Because this $31 has been previously working at a very strong resistance here for a few weeks. Support here and resistance here. And again, it can work as a very strong resistance along with this up trend line resistance as well. Now, if you take a look at the targets, then you can see that we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern and not a falling wedge. This is by the way a down channel. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then this channel will be more clear. You can see that both trend lines are all yellow. And now the target for this breakout from this channel is here at the top of the channel, approximately at $65. And the long-term target for the breakout from this previous very long-term falling wedge pattern, you can see that here we have already broken out this falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very massive rally, but still price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this bed. That target is here at the top of the bed. That is approximately at $150. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. You can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.